Welcome back to our channel, Operanews Technology, your number one hub for everything tech and everything of how to get monetized and how you learn many skills, and every skill you don't know and you have to know only right here and right here on Operanews Technology. Welcome you guys back to our channel. Okay, I'm myself, one and only the tech boy, Anthony Wanchiko. Okay, so back to business. And please reminder, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel right now so that it can be notified and anytime we drop a new content for you to watch and for you to learn everyday new technology skill and everyday new ways of monetizing yourself on this social media network. Okay, so now back to what we are doing today. You know, you guys are seeing your screen, or Operanews Hub again, and again. Why Operanews Hub? Am I actually working for Operanews? No, I'm not working. But why this Operanews Hub again? Back and give you a reminder of what you learned in the previous video. Okay, previous video I told you that you can actually earn in two ways using Operanews Hub. Okay, you can either have your website and earn through them, or you write for them, being a writer under Operanews Hub. So back to what we are going to learn today. Today you're going to learn the method 2. Previous video you learned the method 1. Now we're going to learn the method 2, how to create your own website and apply for Operanews Hub, so your website can actually be shown on Operanews Hub. Oh wow, is that not interesting? Whee! Okay, now no time for play again. What am I saying all this while? Now if you look at your screen, this is Linda Ikeji's blog, and look here, this is also Punch newspaper is loading. The Punch, where you get all the hints on politics, and everything happening in your country, in your local world. Just Punch has this for you. The Punch newspaper, they are right there for you. Okay, why am I showing you guys these two websites? Actually, there are other websites. We have the Vanguard, we have the Sun, and every other news media. Okay, that drop the latest news and everything thrown around the world, around the entertainment industry, around the politics area. Everything you need to know is through these newspaper platforms. Okay, so now the reason why I'm showing you guys these two websites, Leda KG and New Punch, is just that now if you go through their website properly, you will see some places you see advertisements, and that advertisement is where they actually get money or earn money. Okay, they don't tax readers to read their content. Instead, they allow advertisement platform or art platforms actually use our website to show readers their adverts. So from there they earn money. That's all the logic about it. Okay, you can see advertisement. This is how the Punch newspaper gets their income. Same thing applies to Nida Ikeji's blog. Okay, same thing applies to her blog. You can see. Now there are two things you need to know. We have the sponsored adverts and we have the ads. Now if you look at this place now, where you see this cross button, now this means that this adverts you are seeing over here are actually ads and company like the AdSense, AdChoice, Astera, and the co. But when you see adverts like this is actually a sponsored advert, which means that these companies went straight to Linda AG. They signed the contract deal. I'll place my adverts, or you place my adverts for so number of days, so number of months, and I'll pay you so amount of money. You understand? That's how it works. Okay, just like a endorsement deal. That's how it works. So there are two different type of adverts. You see the sponsored adverts and you see the normal ads from ads company like the Astera, AdSense, and co. Okay, so now these two websites, now the other websites too, but these two majorly actually apply to Operanews. If you open your Opera Mini app and you go through the news feed, I'm very sure you're going to see Punch newspaper and Linda Ikeji's is there. Okay, the last video I showed you, I showed you there are the two of them are actually there. Okay, so how can you do all these things? How can you just apply to Opera News Hub and just get traffic? The essence of Opera Mini is just for you to get traffic. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. What you need to do as a website owner, be updating your website with content and leave the job for Opera Mini to get you the engagements. Simple and case closed. Okay, without wasting much of our time, we'll learn how to create a website, a blogging website, So what type of blogging website are you going to be creating today? We're creating something like this. Okay, we're creating something like this. Okay, so I want you guys to sit tight, bring out your pen and paper, and learn something new today. Okay. So remember, if you're not subscribed to our channel, do it. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell button, please. Don't mind me. Hit the notification bell button you're seeing on your screen. Okay. Like and comment. You can also share. Let every other person also learn and earn from it. Don't be a stingy person. Don't be too greedy. Okay. If you are learning for free, also share so that another person can also learn for free. That's the essence of human being. Okay, we live to learn and share the love. Okay, if you can share this thing to you, share it to other person. Okay, so please share the gospel, share it to everyone. Hit the notification bell button, subscribe, like and comment whatever you have learned so far. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's start designing or creating our website like this. I know you guys are wondering, like, this website is nice, so sleeky, but we're going to create something more sleeker than this. Okay, so now let's go to the mission of the day. Now, before you can create any website, you need to have your domain name and hosting. I will create a special video for that one, where I will explain in details the differences between domain name, hosting, SSL. But let me just give you the tip of the iceberg in this video. Then later on, I'll tell you how you can actually purchase the domain name and hosting. Okay, so for now, you learn from where I start. Now, what is the domain name? Domain name basically is the name you have, just like www.lindaikeji'sblog.com. That's the domain name. www.punchnewspaper.com or punchng.com. That's the domain name. www.globalsweepcap.com, www.chatgptopenai.com, www.facebook.com, www.whatsapp.com. All those are domain name of the brand, name of the website. Now, what's now the essence of the hosting? Hosting is the location where you are actually placing your website. Hosting is a location, you understand, where you are placing your website. Just like you can't have a house without a land. Okay, so for the house to exist, you must have to have a portion of land, then build the house on top. So that's what the lay understanding of the website and the hosting. Now, the SSL, which is also something you need to have, is the security to protect it from being hacked or being attacked by the fraudulent people. So you need to always protect your website with the use of what? The SSL. Okay, those are the three things, the major thing you need to have when creating your website. Okay, now once you get your hosting, once you purchase your hosting package, immediately you purchase your hosting, the hosting platform will send you your login details, your email. Once you log into your this thing sent to you, you come to this C panel. What you're seeing here now is what we call the C panel. What you are seeing on your screen now, this is the C panel. Okay, this is the C panel where you start creating your website and do everything you want to do on this particular page. Now, that's just the breakdown I have to explain to you guys. As we progress and move on in our various videos, I'll explain to you every single thing you are seeing, or every single tools you are seeing in your cPanel. I'll explain to you how to use them, what they are meant for, and how to actually implement them and use to build your website. Okay, so now business today, we are actually going to use WordPress. You're going to design a website using WordPress. You don't need to learn how to code, you don't need to learn the basics of coding, you don't need to have any knowledge of coding. We are going to design a website with no code skill, and that is using WordPress. You guys will see how this thing is being done, and you will be surprised and marvel like, wow, so this is how website is being created. And you'll be a website designer at the end of this video. I bet you that. Watch till the end, subscribe, hit that bell, like and comment, share the gospel, because you are learning something new now. Okay, so when you get to this page, where's my mouse? When you get to this page, okay, what you need to do, you have to click on the install button. You have to let it load finish. You guys didn't even tell me that, or you didn't even look at my outfit. Okay, sorry, I'm actually putting on my kit because I'm an engineer. Okay, I'm the one showing you guys how to create a website. Because if you go out there to say engineer at work, they're always on their full kits. So why should I not be on my full kit when I'm a technologist showing you how to design some things like this? I have to be on my full kit. So you can address me as an engineer. Moreover, I'm also an engineer. Back to business. Sorry for that. Okay, this is install. You have to install your WordPress. You have to install your WordPress. Okay, so now things you need to know. I have a particular design under this globalswift.com, but for you, whenever you purchase your domain name, you are to put your domain, your design inside that front page, inside that main directory. No need of creating a new directory. You understand? Just leave it there. So once you are new, you just have to come here, click this WP, clean it up. Okay, just clean it up. Okay, then you follow the prompts. Okay, you follow the step which I'm going to show you guys, but for me, I have something there, so I have to do some things. So since I have something, I'm going to put a blogger. So that means the site I'm going to design now will be inside this directory. Blogger it should not be under this folder of globalswiftcap.com. It should be in another folder, which is that blogger. Okay, then I'll change the site name, my blog. Now the site name is just what you are seeing on your screen here: Punch newspaper, Operanews Hub, welcome to the Ikeji. Welcome to the Ikeji. Welcome to the Ikeji's blog. That's the name. This is Global Swift Cap. That's the name. Okay. Now the dash you are seeing there, the life, love, and lifestyle, is the description. Okay. In the description, so those are the description. Now, Operanews Hub, the hyphen you are seeing, the Croatia N. The Croatia N is actually the description. Yeah, breaking news, Nigeria news, and top news is the description. Yeah, remove is the description under this one. ChatGPT is this, no description. So that's how it goes. So now this one, I want to change it to something else. What can I put? Blogger. Then this site, I want to use, what can I put here? All trending news is okay. So yeah, admin, I'll leave it admin. Password, I'm going to change the password, use a default, so people cannot just guess and log into my WordPress dashboard. Okay, I hope you guys are following. Please make sure you follow. Anywhere you're having a difficulty in this video, do well to drop it in the comment section. I will read it and I'll tell you what to do, or you can just send a private message. I'm going to drop everything in the description link. Okay, follow to the end. You understand whatever we are doing. So after you paste that your login password in your notepad, okay, you need it. Now this admin, I don't use this admin. I will use info. So I created email account as info at this because I want to use to activate some of my plugins like my messages, yeah, contact messages, my contacts. So I want my contacts to work effectively, so I'm going to use info because I have email account under info. Well, just calm down. I'll tell you what it means, what this actually means. Okay, just calm down. So let me just take a break from here and explain to you what that means. Now when you come to email accounts from your cPanel, you create. Now what this means is that instead of you having maker at gmail.com, you don't need to have that at gmail.com or at yahoo.com or at outlook.com. Or you can actually do with your website. You can actually have info at your website domain name.com. So just like this one now, you have info at globalsuitcap.com, care at globalsuitcap.com. Okay, so right now this particular one I will save it under care, rather not, I'll use care. Just remember care, not info. No, so I'll use care rather. So care is what I will use. Then actually I'll activate all this, then copy this one. I'll need it to actually log into my WordPress panel that I want to log in. Then after that you're all done, then you install. You wait for it to install completely in less than 1 minute. Okay, it's now completely installed. Now by default, this is what you have by default. Let me show you how the website will look like by default. Default WordPress site will be like this. Are you seeing it? Default WordPress site will be like this. Okay, so now this is where we'll now log in your administrative URL. This is your administrative URL. You log in into it. Okay, now note, you use your laptop to design your website, then use your mobile phone to update the content or to update the news every single day and every single time you want to update news. Okay, you don't need to be using your laptop all the time to update news. You can actually use your mobile phone. I will show you guys how that is done. So you have to come here. When you get to this, you just click on no, I don't want to that. You understand? You don't want, then you cancel this and you cancel this. Now you are good to go at this place now. Okay, now once you get to this page, what you need to do now, you have to go back to your cPanel, go back to the direct admin. Okay, now you locate your file manager, double click it. Okay, you have to open your public underscore HTML, locate the file. Now I actually created a particular directory for that website, for the website I'm creating, right? But if you are the one, just here you see everything starts from here. You understand? You go to WP content. You understand? But for me, I'm going to go through the very first place, the page actually directory rather I save my file. Go open it, then locate WP content, open it, themes, you open the themes. Now this is where you now put in your WordPress theme, which you are going to use for your website. Okay, so I'm going to actually upload my WordPress theme here now. Click on upload files. So it's going to be drag and drop. Okay, so I will locate my file. I will locate the file, desktop, locating the file. Now this is it. Now you drag it, drag and drop. Okay, now you upload. So you have to wait for some time, maybe less than 1 minute. The file should be uploaded completely. Okay. Okay, now you can see the file have been uploaded successfully. So you have to click on here and cancel this. Okay, so now click on the file, the zip file which you uploaded, and you extract the file. Click on extract, and that's all. Okay, now the file have been extracted completely. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on appearance themes. Now by default, what you are seeing on your screen is actually this. By default, is it this, or which one is it? Okay, this is the one active. Okay, so now we are going to, this is one we actually install right now. So we actually uploaded, so we have not installed it. Now let's activate it. No, we have installed it, now for us to activate. Okay, now we have activated it. Now the next thing you need to do, you have to install and activate the necessary plugins the file came with, so that the file can work completely without no error. So we are going to click, and after that we import demo data and customize the theme. These are three process of you designing your own website to your taste. Okay, so now let's go to the first one, install the plugins. You guys are learning how to create a website. Oh, this is how to create a website. Seriously, you don't need to learn how to code, you don't need basic coding skill or anything. You just where you can actually do all the things. Okay, so remember, like I said earlier on, subscribe, hit that bell, comment, and share the world, so that people can also learn as you're learning. Don't be too greedy, it's not good. Okay, so now all you have to do, click on off, bulk action, and install, apply. Okay, you're going to install all the necessary plugins for you. You're going to install and activate all the necessary plugins that the file came with. You're going to install it now for you. Okay, all you have to do, just sit tight and wait. Okay, it's installing. You can see install and activating, install and activating, install and activating, install and activating. Okay, 8, 9, and the final one, 10. Okay, all right, all plugins have been activated successfully. Now all you have to do is this, refresh this page. Now it's going to take you to Elementor onboarding rather. So right now you don't need to onboard anything Elementor, okay, except you want to upgrade your account. But I have the file. Okay, I have the file. I want to upgrade my Elementor from me, so I'm not just go to that side. What you have to do next, okay, all you have to do next, come to let me see. Okay, now let's go and import demo data next. Now read this important information. You say note important, please read it first. If you have website, if your website rather is new and doesn't have any old posts or pages, you can do a full import by selecting import demo style and import demo content as normal. However, if your website is already established and has existing posts or pages, it is recommended to only import the demo style and leave the demo content option unchecked. This will prevent any potential conflict with your existing content and ensure that demo style is imported properly. After importing a demo, if you encounter any issues with the menu, you can follow these steps. Go to appearance menu, create a menu or select existing one to use. Okay, all this is actually, let me just explain to you. Now, I understand that everyone here should be a newbie. As you're watching this video, I know you should be a newbie, okay, in the web tech or the website industry or website creation industry. Okay, you should be a newbie. But if you are not, or you are getting confused, you like the theme, you want to change the theme of your previous one to use this one. Now, if you have a theme, what you have to do now is just to import the demo style alone. Leave the demo content, only the demo style. Now this will import the style of that website and put in your website and replace the old one for you, leaving your content still intact. So it's not going to interact or change your content. It should just only change the design of your website, that is all. But if you are a newbie, you can actually do the two, import the demo content and also the demo style. Okay, so now that's just the meaning of this important notice. Now let's go to what we have. Now we have adventure blog. For those of you who are interested in adventure like traveling, Yankee, Malaysia, Dubai, this is for you. Okay, this is for you. Now if you are the one that like going to the zoo to see different animals, you want to explore the animal zone, you want to write about the animals, several animals you have seen, the new one, the one that have not even existed before, you want to write about them, this is for you. Now those into architectural businesses, this is for you. If you are into art, this is for you. If you are into art magazine, it's for you. If you are into baby care, best solution for baby, how to treat a baby, how to brush baby teeth, how to treat baby, this is for you. If you are interested in beauty care, skin care, how to look beautiful, how to look gorgeous, how to be outstanding, how to look classic, this is for you. Also, this is for you for beauty. This is for you for beauty blog. Now if you are into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, forex trading, this is for you. If you are into books, best book to read, you're a bookworm, you like reading books, this is for you. Book magazine, likewise for you. Now if you are the one that is into news, gossip, amebo, latest trend, latest news, you want to hear what is happening in the entertainment industry, Ponaka, this is for you. Now if you are doing into business magazine, you want to know what is happening around the stock market, the foreign stock markets, my market price and the market changes, exchange rates, everything is for you. Business is also this for you. Car blog, you're interested in the latest car vibes, Ferrari, Lamborghini, all the kind of cars, this is for you. Likewise, this too is for you. The type of cars you want to drive, the classic car, what is beautiful about this car, the new technology inside the car, how the car is, everything about the car, it's for you. Now charity blog, NGO, we want to talk about different NGO, what an NGO have done for the children there, this is for you. Classic, you have so many. You have the coffee, construction, cosmetic, crafts, you have dentists, you have designers, education, elegant design, every part. What is it you're looking for that is not here? Fashion is here, fitness is here, food, freelancing, game, gardening, hairstyle, magazine, but everything is actually here. Okay, so watch till the end and I'll tell you how you can get this file. Watch this video till the very end and I'm going to tell you how you can get this file. Okay, and don't forget, remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell, like and comment, share, so that every other person can also benefit from this video. Okay, so now without wasting much of our time, I'm going to make do of this one. I'll make do of this one, since I'm talking about focus on rather on the news aspects. I need something more colorful. Did I pick this blue one? I need something more colorful. Okay, let me just pick this. Where's that? This is entertainment industry. Any news? Any news? Coding. Okay, let's go with this one. Now look at it, because this website is a new website. Okay, so I'm going to import both the demo style and the demo content. But if you have a content to your website, all you need to do is just to uncheck this one and only import the demo style. But for me, I'm going to import the two. Okay, and I'll import and click on OK. The import will take time, just little time. Import content. Why that is important, can actually be doing something else, like me. If you have solved this puzzle before, I know most of you know about this puzzle. If you have solved this puzzle before, please comment and tell us, let us know if you have solved this puzzle before and how you got it, because I've been trying my possible best to get this puzzle done. It's not working. I don't understand. If you have done it before, let us know in the comment section. Okay, let me just try my possible best if I can get it. Okay, I have complete yellow here and I have complete red here, and let me see what else can I have. Yellow, there is still complete. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. How are I going to get it? Okay, I've gotten blue here, gotten yellow, but unfortunately red has been altered. Let me see. Okay, gotten orange, blue, red has been altered. Okay, gotten white and blue, orange. Okay, white, orange and blue. Like, I'm getting more confused by doing this. Okay, gotten green, green gotten, oh god, I've gotten green, green, green here, green also here, white, yellow, I don't even know. Okay, yellow will be altered. Blue. Okay, importation and sorry, not importation, import has been completed, so you can actually check what you have. Remember, this was our initial default website. Now I haven't imported that demo content. Now let's see how it's going to be. By refreshing, let's see what you have now. Now you can see what you have. Is this not awesome? Is this not awesome? And just you are finished designing your website with this. So you are done designing your website. You are actually done designing your website with this. Can't you see how astonishing this website is? Can't you just see? So sleek. Come on. I congratulate every one of you. Let me clap for you guys. You guys are now a website designer by watching this video. Okay, so do what to just give us a small favor. Subscribe to the channel right now, hit that bell, comment and share. Now let's continue. Haven't done that, you go to your plugin now, install plugin. Now there are things you need to install. I will end to explain why you need to install these two things. Now the first one, I think you need to add new plugin. You have to search for it first. Yoast SEO. Now the essence of this SEO is just like actually allowing search engine to be able to crawl into your website and get that your website content to show to people who are actually interested in knowing what is in that your website. Do you understand? That's the essence of Yoast, or the essence of this SEO. Okay, they'll go into your website, they'll call out your content, give it to search engine, so that search engine can actually display or allow their engine to actually show people what your website is all about. Okay, so you should not be limited to only you. That's the essence of this saying Yoast or this SEO plugin. Okay, so you have to install it. Take a few time. Taking time. Updates field. Okay, let's talk. Okay, so you have to activate the plugin. Always prepare yourself and protect yourself. I'm meant to be with my goggles. Okay, I'll get that very soon. So why I'm actually doing this is encourage every worker out there. Once you're going to a site work, if you're an engineer, please ensure you're with your PPE, your safety kits. Ensure you're with your helmet to protect your head. You're with your vestment, your jacket, so that you signify the kind of work you're doing. So anybody that is far can actually sight you from far that there is someone ahead of them. That's the essence of this safety jacket. Okay, and make sure you're with your boots. Anytime you're going to a site work, put on your boots. Very important. Save yourself before going out there for daily bread. Okay, save yourself before going out there for daily bread. Put in your PPE. Very important. Very important. Now let's go back to work. Okay, so this, when you have done this, you don't need to do any other thing again. All you have to go back to plugin, add new plugin. Okay, add new plugin. Now once you add new plugin, all you have to do is now upload the plugin, locate where the plugin is. I'm going to show you how you can get these files I'm using on this website. Okay, watch to the very end. Okay, so let me look for where I actually put that plugin. Okay, so yeah, upload, then install. So now this will actually give you the premium version of that used, because that one we actually install was the basic one and we are limited to some things, but this premium will now allow us to have access to major tools of this particular SEO. Okay, so to allow at least let people know about this upcoming website. But mind you, this website will be deleted after this video. This is for educational purpose. So not everything you're seeing on this site is not actually real. You understand? It's not actually real. This is just for educational purpose and will be deleted immediately after this video. So activate the plugin. Okay, now you can see installation successful. So what's cool? What next? So you have actually installed your used. So the SEO, any content you put on this your website now, we are very sure that yes, search engine will be able to crawl through the website and get it out to be able to see. Now what am I saying? So let's just assume now somebody just asks Google a question like top 10 artists of the year 2024, and in your website you are written the top 10 artists in 2024. Your website will be able to come out and show the readers about the top 10 of a top 10 artists in 2024 if at all you have written something like that. So that's the essence of the SEO. SEO will help the search engine to bring out your website and show to the readers. Okay, let me just say for instance something like this. Let me show you. Top 10 movies or top 10 richest men in the world. Let's just go top 10 richest men in the world. Now look at Forbes are written about it, and that's why you are seeing them here. Okay, and that's they help with the help of the SEO. Okay, Investopedia have written about them, Wikipedia has written about them, Forbes have written about 10 persons. Quora, which is a very good search engine. I will call this a search engine, not a search engine, but I'll actually call it something like a search engine. Okay, has also written something about that. Some people have written about it. Bloomberg, Banquet, CNN, and Times of India. Most people have actually written about it. So you can see with the help of SEO, you will get your own website there. Okay, so now let's go back to work. After doing that, you need to install something else. Install plugin again, or you can actually add new plugin. Add new plugin. Click on upload plugin. Now the next thing you need to upload now is Elementor Pro, because the Elementor you have there also if you buy the free or basic package, which you are limited to some things, so you need to upload the premium one too. We also have that. Let's locate where it is. I'm going to upload this one too, then install. As this installing, okay, so you activate the plugin. Okay, now you have activated the plugin. Now you are good to go now. Okay, you are good to go with the necessary plugins and everything. So it's now time for you to start updating your posts Okay, what you have to do is come to all posts. Okay, so what you have to do here today is just for you to delete all these posts here, move them to the trash bin. You don't need them, you don't need them. Okay, okay, don't worry about all this. You don't actually mean anything. You actually move all these content to the trash. You don't need them. Apply. Okay, so there's no news again. All you have to do right now, the next thing you need to do, go to categories. Okay, now under your categories, look for what you don't need and you delete it. So I'm going to select all, select all. I'll need business, I'll need entertainment, I don't need celebrity. Celebrity can also be under business, music can be in there, style, I don't need style, I don't need lifestyle, can leave lifestyle, I don't need tech. So depending on whatever you don't need and whatever you need. So yeah, I'll delete the mini one side. No. Okay, no. Actually, you don't need to do that. No. I'll need. I don't need celebrity. I'll select celebrity. I'll select music, style, featured, lifestyle. I'll select this. Okay, so I can now delete this. All right, so that's those have been deleted successfully. Now, if you want to add a new category, all you have to do now, you come over here, type the category name, that's news, this log, put news there, then you add new category. Okay, you can see it here. So you have news. This lifestyle is not correct. Let's do it this way. Lifestyle should be in this way format. Lifestyle, lifestyle. Am I right or wrong? Lifestyle of this category. Okay, that has been updated. What else again? Let's assume not put sports. I want to talk about sports inside your blog and just put something like this also. Sports. Then the same thing applies to this place, but in add categories. Okay, now you're done. So you have to go now to the menu, go back to appearance, locate your menus. Now if you check your main website, which is this, can see all these menus, they are not looking okay. They're not looking okay. So you need to change them. You can see the drop down, the home page has service so much. Look at the drop down. So you don't need something like this, you don't need shop. This is okay. All you have to do is now come to your menu, navigate to your menu. Now all you have to do is now you can see all this long thing for you to start deleting one by one is not it will take you the whole day. Okay, what you just have to do, just come down here and delete menu. Okay, delete all, so the menu will be deleted entirely. Okay, now the menu has been deleted entirely. Now what you have to do now, this other menu you are seeing here is the top bar menu, but you are not interested in top bar menu. You have to create a new menu. Create a new menu. Now menu name, you can call it the primary menu. Okay, now you select display location, let it be your primary menu. Okay, then you click create menu. Okay, now it's now time for us to add things that you want your user to see at the menu bar here. Let me refresh this. Now you see that though you will not see any menu here. You won't see any menu. You can see the menu are all gone. There's no menu, so you need to put menu there now. So now all you have to do now is come to categories, view all categories, then you select all these categories and don't select uncategorized. You don't need it. Add to menu. Okay, so it has been added. You need one more thing, you need some other thing. Go to your pages. Now you have to add these pages, view all. You need to add your own page, about us page, and contact us page. Okay, add to menu. Now let's arrange it properly. So after home page, what you need to put after home page is news. After news, let's talk about entertainment. After no, entertainment. After entertainment, talk about business. After business, you talk about lifestyle. Entertainment should come, yes, something like this. Lifestyle. After lifestyle, you talk about sports. No, sports. Okay. So after sports, you can now talk about us, and you can talk about your contact us information. Okay. So now this is okay. You now save your menu. You save your menu. So now let's check what we have now. Refresh this page. So you can see your menu is now back to normal how it's meant to be. Okay. Now for those people that want to be applying for AdSense, you need some extra page like the privacy policy page. You need the privacy policy page and one other page again. Yeah, you need those pages for AdSense to actually approve your account. Okay, so please you need to add up those pages. So you are done with the menu page and you are done with your design. Now if you want to add pages, like I just said, you have to come over to these pages, add new page. And just remember the other page you need to add is in terms and conditions. Okay, privacy page, contact us page, terms and condition, and about us page. These 4 pages is what you need to add to your website so that AdSense can actually approve your site. So now here, let's add on to add terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. Okay. Now you're wondering that you don't know how to construct the long terms and conditions. Just go and move over to your ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to just give you the terms and conditions. And just come over here, generate terms and conditions for my blogging site, which is focused on latest news and trends. Okay. Okay, sorry, this which is focused on latest news and trends. Okay, so with this command, just send, and this AI will generate the terms and condition for you. Okay, this is for the one I created, so you can just see. All you have to do now, once you generate it for you, you just come here, copy, then you go over to your and you paste it here. Paste. But meanwhile, you can see it is like this. You need to like do some formatting. Okay, let me just see. Let me just come over here. Like I said, please, before you paste it on your website, you can just have to paste on your notepad. Paste on your notepad, so those errors can actually leave. Then you Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Then you paste and see. So you can now start doing the necessary editing. Once you edit, you can just remove this one when you're interested. You can see terms and conditions. You can remove this one again. You don't need it. Effective on so date. You put the date. You cannot change this name to your website name. Your website name, edit it. Then you are good to go. Then you save. And you add the you save. Let me just say I save it. I publish this. I publish. It has been published. I'll head back to my menu so that it should be live on this menu bar. On this menu bar, head down to menu again. Okay, so go down to pages, view all. You can see terms and conditions, add to menu. Okay, it has added, you save. Now you can now come here and refresh. You can see it here. You can now click on it to see what you have, so you can see your terms and conditions live already. So that is how you go about your writing of your terms and conditions. The same way you actually do your privacy policy and any other page you want to add. Okay, so that's for that. So now let's start writing our news, which is the main focus of the day. Let's start writing our news. So how can we write the news now? You head over to your post. Okay, so you have no post, you have nothing here. You have to add new posts. And that one again for every one of you. You guys are new. You guys are new to this blogging or to this news media stuff. So for you to get approved for any ads marketing agency, or for you to be approved for Operanews Hub or anywhere, please note you need to have at least a minimum of 500 content or articles and each of your content articles must have at least 300 words longer. At least 300 words longer. You need to write long article, as long words in one article, and you have to add some link into it. So I'm going to show you how all those things is being done here. Okay, now I want to add my first article. So like I do use the Daikeji, it gives the latest news. Okay, so I'll go to the Daikeji. You can see Trump responds to new Supreme Court ruling banning TikTok in US. I'll click on it. Okay, like I said earlier on, save the image. You can now use the name of the image, change it to Donald Trump. Okay, so I'm saving it because in case somebody wants to search for a picture of Donald Trump, your website actually come in also, because that's the algorithm of search engine. Google search engine bring out your email or website as a part of the website that has the answer to that question or to that query, because you have saved the file name as Donald Trump. I don't know if you understand me, and that's the essence of the SEO we are talking about since. So we save. Now that I've saved, you get this title, you copy it. Okay, copy that. You can actually use the title, paste the title here. Okay, now you get the content. US, you get the content, Control C. You can take it to your ChatGPT. You see, write news report of up to 300 words long on hyphen. Put the first. You're not done. I've copied that. We have pasted that first one. You come over here. Select the mini one. Control C. Then you paste. Then you send. Likewise, save this image you're seeing here. Save image. Real Donald Trump. Because that's a screenshot, you can just save the screenshot like that. Okay, that's a screenshot. Save images. So now it's time to still writing that it's done. Copy it and let's paste it on our website here. Paste. Okay, so you see its own title: Trump to decide on TikTok ban after Supreme Court upholds law. Trump responds to, so let's just leave leader KG title like that. Okay, so now like I told you, you need to add some link. Like now you can just use leader KG's link, copy the link up here, then come over here, anywhere, and just say here cross. Okay, because you're not doing all of this content, then you locate this link icon, then you paste it, then you save. So that means you have given your content a link, which is very okay for users to actually of your account. So now you can see, but this content looks somehow smaller, but it's just for education purpose. I will make it like this so the video will not be too long. Okay, and after doing this, you need to copy this. happy. Now you come over here, focus key phrase, paste the focus key phrase and watch this SEO. Let it smile. You can now see it's not happy. Okay, so you need to do another thing again. Come over to the second line, copy the second line, then under the meta description, you paste it here. Now, what this is saying is that once you're on your site like this, Trump responds to new Supreme Court ruling banning TikTok in US. So the following thing that should now come is this: on Friday, January 17, the court declined the block the ban. So to block the ban, citing national security and sometimes, and that's the essence of this meta description. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's just like let me see if I come over here. Let me show you under the search engine, for example. Now look at this, for example. This is the title. Now this is the meta description. The biggest gainer was Elon Musk, the world's richest person and one of the Trump most outspoken and dedicated supporter, which was this is the meta description. Now if you click on it, you will notice that that thing you are seeing there is not the first line. The world's biggest, you can see now, the biggest gainer was Elon Musk. You can see the first line. This is the first line, but the meta description that came out at the second line. You get the logic now. So that's how it's being done. So I haven't done that. After this, your source, click on this plus icon, then search for latest, then put latest post, so that your readers could be interested in reading other articles which you have posted in your blog. So because there's no, this is the only one, you have to do like that. Then you come here, display author name, display post and display post date and display featured image. Okay, add link. Now I'm going to explain this to you. Now this author name is just like this. When you get to the Cage's blog, let me go to our main front page. Now what you're saying now by leader KG, this is the name of the post, the author name. Now this is the post date. Are you seeing the post date? And this is the feature image. Okay, so those are the things that is what you're seeing here. So you have to enable all those. Then come and click on post. You select the feature image. So because you have not dropped any image there, you have to upload the image you saved initially. Okay, you can see this image you save initially. This is a feature image. So you click on open. You wait for it to upload. Then you save. Now remember that you save extra 2 images, so you can come to the second line here. Okay, once you come to the second line, you can search for gallery. Okay, look at the gallery, add it. Now you upload your gallery. You wait let it launch. Okay, These are the two images we are going to say. Okay, upload. Now you open it, so you can see it. This for it to upload. Now it has uploaded successfully. So now with this, you are done writing your news. So you can now come over to publish. Now before you get to publish, please add category, assign category. Where is this? This is a foreign news. Actually, there's no foreign there. You can let me just put the news. But meanwhile, if you're writing a news, you need to put foreign category or word categories. Do you understand? So I'm going to put under news. Then tags, you can add a tag, Donald Trump. It also helps in SEO. Donald Trump. Also add TikTok. So once you're done, you publish. So it's now saved. Now let's get back to our website. Let's go to our home page. So you can now say our first news has been updated successfully. Are you not a blogger? Are you not a news writer? Are you not a news writer like this? You can see how all this is being done without you paying any money to anybody, without you not learning how to code anything. You have actually designed your own website like this. So when you write more, the thing will be updated here. Okay, it should be updated here. Now this is actually for sponsored adverts. This is sponsored. This is space for sponsored adverts. Okay, so just play along with your WordPress panel. Just have to do, you play along with the WordPress panel. Okay, you learn everything about it. Okay, you learn everything by doing it yourself. Okay, I've given you the knowledge which you need to know, the hard one. So let me give you another one again. Okay, now when you come here, this image you are seeing here is what we call the favicon. Here, favicon. All this thing you're saying, well, this favicon is a favicon. Now how can you add your favicon? How can you change that logo? How can you change this logo? I'm going to show you how you can actually change that logo. Okay, so all you have to do now for that logo, you have to come over to Solidad and click on Theme Options panel. Theme Options panel. Now you can now play along with all this you are seeing here. Okay, like I will show you the logo aspects. Okay, let's start from the favicon. Upload favicon, horizontal size, horizontal circle, square size. Let me say this one. Let me upload. Let me select image. Favicon size by default is around 512 by 512, but I'm not going to focus on how to scale or design logo. So let me just this one. Okay, so in the next videos or coming videos, I'm going to show you how you can actually design your own logo. Okay, so this is favicon. So just save. Okay, now let's go to logo. You can see the logo that I make use of. So we are going to change our their logo or the logo right now to our own. Use this. Select. Okay, logo for mobile. You want to use mobile logo. So just save it. Let it be for default. Okay, now let's refresh what we have. You cannot see. and as the logo has been changed successfully. You see it. It all depends on you. Do whatever you like. Okay, do whatever you like, and also please remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification and that bell. Hit the bell button. Then what else can you do for us? Comment, like, and share. If you love whatever we have given to you like this, okay? We're going to drop the link of how you can actually get this wonderful theme file. I can get the Elementor free premium plugin, the SEO, the use SEO premium plugin. Okay, I want to drop it in the description link. Okay, so now how can you now apply to Opera News so that you can actually upload your website content on their own platform? Okay, so now that is also very easy. Like I said earlier on, you need to be writing on your website like back to back. Like before you can actually apply to Opera News, make sure you have content in all your categories, and let it be like the total sum of your content should be 500 words, or sorry, 500 content long. It can be 600, it can be 700, but make sure that in every categories there is a good number of content in each categories. Let's just say for news you have like 20, or then 20 is small, you have like 50 under news, 50 under business, 50 under entertainment, 50 under lifestyle, 50 under sport, or 100 or more, or 100 or more, before you can actually apply to Opera News Hub. Okay, and when you apply, that doesn't mean you should stop writing. Keep on writing till they send you a message. Now how can you apply? You have to write a message to Opera News to this mail. So this is the mail you have to write. You have to write to this person. Now this is the person in charge of updating the website, or updating the news on the website. Okay, the RS of the website. So your website should have your RS. Okay, so later on we will tell you how you can actually get your RS, or maybe the Daniel will tell you how to get your RS from your website if you're actually qualified. Okay, so now when you're writing your message, you have to write brief description about your website, what your website is all about, what you're writing on your website, who are you, your name of your website, and a link of your website. A brief formal message to Daniel at operanews.com. Okay, so you can go like this. My name is please add my website on your amazing hub. My website is focused on the latest trending news, lifestyle, entertainment, and sports, and I promise to strictly adhere to the policies, terms, and conditions of Opera News Hub. Okay, so having done that, let me put it on front screen. Okay, so before you write your name, you just come here and put the name of your site, Okay, the name of your site, website name. You put the website name, then website link. You put the link of your website, www.domain name domain name.com. And please note, your domain name should be in .com. Your domain name is, well, mostly is accepted for .com. You can't just see domain name .com slash. No. It needs to be in your primary domain name like this. Your upload must be in this domain name. Not like you can look for on that website and go and purchase .syxz dot this. No. You need to use .com. Whenever you purchase the domain name, make sure you use .com. It's very advisable. Okay. And so with this, you can actually send them a message and they will reply if after you qualify for the platform. You qualify to the platform, they will actually add up your site and tell you what to do. They follow up what to do. Okay, they'll give you the exact thing to do next. Okay, so that's how to actually apply to Operanews Hub once you are qualified. Okay, so with this, we call it a day. So you can actually check up your comments. If you have a comment, you can come over to comment section, then you fix up a comment. So play along with your WordPress dashboard. You get to know how to do most of the things you are seeing on your website on WordPress. All right, but still we drop more videos for you guys. So our next video will be showing you, okay, how to use your mobile phones, like how to use a mobile phone, because this time I'll be using my laptop all this while. So next video I'm going to be using my mobile phone and how to write for Operanews Hub, and I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone and how to update your website with latest news. Okay, instead of using your laptop, as I'm using my laptop to write news all the time, I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone to write news without going through without accessing your laptop. So anywhere you are, you can actually video or snap pictures wherever you are seeing news and use your phone to upload the news on your website without, oh, I'm not with my laptop or like get this news. No, you don't need to stress yourself. You can do that with your phone, your mobile phone. I'm going to show you guys the next video. So what are you waiting for? Sit tight and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel once again, like, comment and share. Thank you and God bless.